Now that you understand, I hope you understand. Now that you understand or you've seen the layers, okay? The reason I gave you these colors is to hope that you can see the layers, the inside and the outside. So now, if we present you with something like this and we say, hey, guess what? H of x right here, it's actually a composed function. It's composed of two separate functions. Remember I said parentheses are your good friends? Can you see the inside layer and the outside layer in this case? Okay, now let's focus on something that's easy. Can you see, now this is f of g of x, right? This is f of g of x. So my first question is, everybody here, would you like to try writing down what the inside function is? Could you? Okay. Can you write down what the inside function is for this h of x? Okay. So f of g of x is this whole thing right here. Can you write down the inside function? Okay, give yourself a chance to guess what that inner function is. All right, so what's the inside function? Anybody? 5x plus 2, yes. That's the inside, okay? So let me go ahead and do a little bit better job in coloring this. So this is the inside right here. See how parentheses are your good friends? It helps you see the layers like an onion right here. And if that is your inside function, then the outside function would be x cubed. Done. Okay, now, of course, this is one of the acceptable answers. Okay, there could be other acceptable answers, but I would say this would be the simplest answer that someone could come up with. Okay, simplest. Now, you may consider another alternative. Some people would say, oh, can I suggest that g of x is only 5x? And then f of x would be x plus 2 cubed. Can you do that? Because if you say f of g of x, I put g of x into the x over here. It's the same thing. So that's why this, like you have multiple acceptable answers. These two would probably the highest two. If I have to pick which one, it's which one you should prefer. And I would tell you that this is preferred. Just easier, you know. Inside the parentheses, it's one function, and then outside parentheses is another function.
I think there can be like infinite number.
There could be a lot. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. But again, as I said, this topic has a future implication in calculus. And in calculus, the left-hand side way would be your preferred way of looking at composition of functions. Okay. All right, last but not least. So now, if you have a highlighter or if you can do this with your pen, this would be good because at this part, it gets a little bit clumsy right here. So what we're saying here is that there's a little interval that t is between 0 and 3, okay? And T of T, it's only 4T plus 2. Okay, so I'm not sure how it is printed on your paper, but it could get a little bit clumsy here.